So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to buy Hyperliquid cryptocurrency on Robinhood. So once the Robinhood app's opened up, go to the bottom in the middle and select the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here under trending list, if you want to make sure that market cap is selected and then scroll down and press on view all, you're going to be able to sort crypto by market cap. And at this moment in time, Hyperliquid does have a high market cap, so it should appear early on. Find it, select it, and you're on this screen. If it's not there, you can also just go to the top and just start typing in Hyperliquid, HIPE, select it. It'll bring you to the same page. Once that's done, the green buy button at the bottom, press it. Now type in the amount that you wanted to buy. So if you want to do $10, you can type in 10. Then it'll bring you to this screen where you can see the amount of Hyperliquid you're purchasing, the fees associated with it, the total cost. And if this looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, swipe up to submit to finalize the transaction. So that is how you guys can buy Hyperliquid cryptocurrency on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.